नमस्कार. आयच्या या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. गोंयभर सध्या FC गोवाचो जोर चढला आणि कितें आसा परिस्थिती, भविष्यातले प्लॅन कितें, बिझनेस कसो ह्या गेमीचो आणि तांचे मनाक एकूण परिस्थिती पळयतकीर कितें विचार येता हें जाणून घेवपाचें आमचे बरोबर आसात FC गोवाचे को-ओनर दत्तराज साळगांवकर. स्वागत तुमचें. सर, पयली गजाल सांगात, पासा खातीर फोन वाडल्यात काय कमी जाल्यात?
पासा खातीर वाडटाच, कित्याक एक जो हायप जो जाला FC गोवाचो आनी आमचे अटॅकिंग फॉर्म ऑफ फुटबॉल जे आमी खेळटात ते लोकांच्या काळजांक तेंकला सारकें आनी मोर एंड मोर पीपल आर गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड.
एक गजाल जी आसा की लास्ट इयर देर वर लिटल कन्स्ट्रेन्स, म्हणजे आमचे कडेन प्लेयर पूल दिल्लो, तातूंतल्यान आमकां प्लेयर सिलेक्ट करपाक जाय आशिल्ले. दीस इयर झिको हॅज सिलेक्टेड हिज ओन टीम अँड यू हॅव गिवन हिम फूल फ्रीडम टू डू दॅट. हाव बिग डिफरन्स दॅट हॅज मेड?
दोन गोश्टी तातूंत. एक म्हणल्यार वेळ चड मेळ्ळा प्लेयर्सांक एकठांय खेळपाक आनी जॅल जावपाक. लास्ट इयर कितें जाल्लें, तो पूल ऑफ प्लेयर्स, स्पेशली द फॉरेन प्लेयर्स, वेर गिवन टू अस फ्रॉम द ISL पूल. सो इट वॉज एन ऑक्शन. तर आमी नोकळो सुद्दां आसले कशे ते प्लेयर खेळटले, तांची मेडिकल फिटनेस कितें आसतलें. ह्या वर्सा आमी झिकोक टोटल फ्रिडम दिलो आनी झिको बिलीव्स दॅट लोकल प्लेयर्स जे आमचे गोंयकार प्लेयर आसा, म्हणजे ताणें रोमियोंक स्पॉट केल्लो, मंदाराक स्पॉट केल्लो आनी ऑफकोर्स अमॉंग द अदर इंडियन प्लेयर्स ही लायक नारायण दास, देबू. सो दे वेर पार्ट ऑफ आवर कोर टीम अलॉंग वीथ विक्रमजीत. आनी बाकीचे आमी भायले प्लेयर ताजे मार्फत घेतले. सो ताजो चॉयस आसून एक म्हणटा तें कंप्लिटली हार्मोनी जी जाय ती ताका मेळ्ळी तातूंत. आनी अल्टिमेटली ऑफकोर्स इट इज बेस्ड ऑन कॉम्पिटन्स, हार्ड लक.
तुम्ही सध्या कितलो टाइम डिवोट करतात टू द टीम? बिकॉज
बरोच टाइम वता.
रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द पीपल इज ह्यूज.
बरोच टायम वता. रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द टायम, लोकांचे अशें प्रॉब्लेम ना, बट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरा खातीर बाकीचे ल्हान ल्हान गोश्टी ज्यो आसता तातूंत खूबच टायम वता, मोर देन आय इमॅजीन.
What about the response on the stadium during first game? What is the reaction you got from all the VVIPs who had come from outside?
All were very happy. एक जे आसा FC गोवा युनाइट्स पीपल, तें तुवें पळयलां गेल्या फावटी सुद्दां. आनी आमी वेन वी वेर एट द बॉटम ऑफ द टेबल, डिस्पायट दॅट आवर फॅन्स, गोवन्स वेर विथ अस. म्हणल्यार एक तें गोंयकारपण आसा तांकां. आनी हें जें FC गोवाचो हें जो एक स्पिरीट आसा, तांकां सामको भितरल्या भितर काळजांतल्यान लागता तो.
एक मर्चेंडायज म्हणून जो फॅक्टर आसा, द फर्स्ट टायम नाव आदिदास हॅज कम ऑन बोर्ड एंड तांगे जर्सी सुद्दां फटाफट विकिल्ली वतात. 2000 सुमार प्रायसींग आसा, तरी आसतना लोक घेतात. हाऊ डज इट फील वेन यू रियलायज दॅट देर इज अ पोटेंशियल, बिझनेस पोटेंशियल इन क्रिएटिंग मर्चेंडायज ऑफ द टीम?
गेल्या वर्साय आडिडास आसली, ह्या वर्सात आसा अशें ना. गेल्या वर्साय आडिडास हॅड सायन्ड अप, ह्या वर्साय आडिडास इज विथ अस. आनी मर्चेंडायज डिमांड इज ह्यूज. बट एट द सेम टायम, सिन्स आडिडास इज आवर पार्टनर, वी कॅनॉट मेक स्पोर्ट्स जर्सीज ऑन आवर ओन. आनी आडिडासाचें तें प्रॉब्लेम आसा, बिकॉज दे हॅव लिमिटेड प्रोडक्शन कॅपॅसिटी. आनी स्पॉन्सर जेन्ना लेट येतात ते मागीर सगळे घालपाक मागीर डिले जातले.
बरोबर.
सो मर्चेंडायज ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आर ह्यूज, बट सिन्स द लीग इज शॉर्ट, वी कॅनॉट कॅपिटलायज ऑन दोज मर्चेंडायज.
But in future, do you think this opportunity can be explored? Because as a business,
We would
potential.
like to, and we are talking to Adidas that whether they can allow more sort of jerseys to be made and designed by us. आता समज टी-शर्ट आमी असले टी-शर्ट तुवें घाल्यात असले जर आमी विकपाक शकता. We cannot actually sell those kind of टी-शर्ट्स कित्याक it is part of deal with Adidas. पूण भायर आतां पायरेटेड कितलेशे खपतात. आमी भायर सुद्दां पळयल्या, फ्लॅग्स जावं किंवा टी-शर्ट.
And they are coming of real good quality also.
That I don't know. I don't know whether it is Adidas quality. पूण अशें करपाक जाय आमी, कित्याक आमचें गौर जें सिंबल आसा, we can do many stylish.
When you go to a Manchester United store, थंय तुमकां बेडशीट धरून, पिलो धरून सगळी गजाली मेळटात.
ना, एक ते म्हणटा ते एक्चुअल डिझायन, दुसरो म्हणटा म्हळ्यार स्टायलिस्टीक फॉर्म ऑफ द लोगो. कित्याक हांगा गोंयांत खूब आतां कलाकारूय आसा, आनी तूं जाणा आमच्या सुनापरान आर्ट सेंटरूय आसा. वी हॅव आर्टिस्ट लायक से विराज नायक किंवा सुबोध केरकर. तांकांय सांगूंक जाता, बाबा यू कॅन इंटरप्रेट FC गोवा वॉट इट मिन्स and we can make those t-shirts for the tourists.
एक स्टोरी म्हाका आयकुपाक सामकी इंटरेस्ट आसा आनी ती म्हळ्यार हाऊ डीड दीस प्रिंसिपल स्पॉन्सर्स केम ऑन बोर्ड. ही इज अ गोवन हू हॅज सेटल्ड अब्रॉड. He has expanded his business opportunities and now he has signed a 5-year deal. How does it feel to have a Goan as a principal sponsor?
Feels very good.
And how did that happen actually?
I think we are very happy because एक म्हणटा तो गोंयकार आणि ताका गोंयकारांचे I mean फुटबॉलचे खूप पॅशन आसा. He used to play for Dempos when his young days. Under 19 Dempo कडे खेळटालो. And he has made money in Dubai. He's done well for himself. And he is willing to support FC Goa, which I think is really good.
How did he come on board? What happened exactly? How you got introduced?
We were introduced by Beto. Beto introduced us through a common friend. And since the deal was not happening with a couple of other people, we said, okay, let us give this a chance. And I went to Dubai Aslo. And I met him with Beto. And he said, yeah, I'm willing to sign on, and we decided it pretty fast. So I was quite surprised that such a young boy and a young person and with so much passion,
and a 5-year
he's willing to commit 5 years to this.
एक गजाल जाणवता गोंयकारांचो जर उत्साह पळयलो, we realize that people are emotionally investing in the team and they are even ready to financially invest in the team. पहिली 2000ची जर्सी घेवपाक कोणी फाटीफुटी जातालो, आज उडये घालतात त्या जर्सींचे. People are also ready at an individual level to participate and invest. Are you looking at a model where Goans can be stakeholders and shareholders in the team?
Sadhya tari येवजूंक ना, but I'm sure we are open for any such thinking in the future. कित्याक आमी professional setup पयलीं करपाक जाय प्रमोद. आतां आमी सुखविंदर सिंग घेतला, who comes from a very good sports management background. He was with Nike, then he was with Libero Sports. He's a football player himself. And he is in the professional setup. बाकीचे आमचो team जी आसा, we are slowly building up. So एकदा आनीक professional जेन्ना जाले, then we'll definitely want to get more and.
एक प्रश्न जो लास्ट वर्साक आयिल्लो तो म्हळ्यार स्टेडियमाचो. Every team, every famous club in the world has their own stadium. Do you think there is a need and there is a capacity right now, looking at the way the league is forming, to build a stadium?
Demand खूप जाला. आता 19,000 कॅपॅसिटी आमकां पावना.
बरोबर.
आमकां जर 40,000 जर मेळ्ळी, वी वूड हॅव बीन व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी. कित्याक लोकांक जाय हे. दुसरें म्हणल्यार विथ टुरिजम एंड फुटबॉल, द टू कॅन गो टुगेदर. सो पीपल कॅन कम टू गोवा, have a holiday plus see a football match. They combine करपाक जाता. So in future we need definitely, future means immediate future, we need a bigger stadium.
एक गजाल सांगता, there are two business models that can be looked at. One is sponsors come on board looking at the strength of the population of the city and the fan following. That is one model where आमगे गोंयकारांची ultimately population 1.5 million, 1.6 million आसतलें, which is not a huge opportunity for sponsors. The second formula is like a Liverpool formula, where it is not that vibrant city as Old Trafford, but even Standard Chartered wants to get associated with Liverpool because it's an international brand, and Goa has that potential to do it. What is the business formula you are looking at right now, the way it is shaping up?
We are looking at, आमी एक म्हणणें आसा, deep down everybody is a Goan. So आमचे जे टिमाचे culture जे आसा and unique style of playing has captivated not just Goans but even non-Goans. Not just Indians but even non-Indians. But that is the style. Liverpool जावं किंवा बाकीचे तांचे कितल्योशे आसा न्ही, टॉटनहॅम पळय तूं, चेल्सी पळय, तांची पॉप्युलेशन कितली आसा. पण the way they play the football, the way it is conveying certain values, certain feelings, certain sentiments, ती जी आसा ते आमकां खरें म्हणल्यार हेड स्टार्ट आसा गोंयांक. Goa has a head start on this culture and spirit.
It is already there.
Already there. So now we are having a person like Zico and our team. It's much easier for us.
Very, very frankly, you have traveled with the team for the away matches. You have seen the crowd there. What is the difference between the Goan crowd that you see in Fatorda Stadium and what is the difference between the other crowd?
Don't compare Goan crowd with anybody. Goan crowd is the best, without question. They are sporting, they are supportive, and real sportsmen-like. They cheer with a passion, but they are also decent losers.
One of the managers of the other team told me last year that Goan crowd is not only football literate, it is football educated. The sound that you get in the stadium when a particular move happens is a sound that entire stadium is football educated. They know what is happening. It is best of मारलो म्हणून तुगेले cheer केले अशें ना. You get that feeling.
ना एड्युकेटेड आसा आय थिंक मागीर एड्युकेशन आनी हें तें आसा पळय नाव इट इज क्वेश्चन ऑफ इंटरनेट टी ऑर डिस्कशन पूण जें गोंयकारांक आसा पळय स्पोर्ट्समॅनशीप जेन्ना लास्ट इयर आमी लूज जाले हांगा आतां तूं हांगा क्रिकेट मॅच कालूच पळय कितें जालें तें बाटल्यो मारल्यो हें मारलें तें गोंयांत केन्नाच जावचें ना कळ्ळें बिकॉज स्पोर्ट्समॅन लायक लास्ट इयर जेन्ना पिरेजाक कोच हाबासान मारलो आनी पिरेज नेवर इन इज एंटायर हिस्ट्री एवर गॉट अ रेड कार्ड और एवर गॉट सस्पेंडेड आयदर फॉर फ्रांस और फॉर आर्सेनल म्हणल्यार ह्या रेकॉर्डाचो मनीस कोण दुसरो कोच आसा नॉट इवन अ टॉप क्लास कोच तो ताका अशें करता नो गोवन एवर डीड एनीथींग टू हार्म हिम इवन ही वॉज देर वॉचिंग आवर गेम nobody touched him.
Nobody. Sitting among the crowd.
पूण तें गोंयकारपण सो तें जें आसा पळय इज युनीक एंड आय होप इट रिमेन्स दॅट वे बिकॉज दॅट इज समथींग युनीक इन इंडिया
तुम्ही म्हाका जेन्ना इन्वेस्टमेंट केली that time it was a financial investment. You also didn't know how it is going to take shape. As there is lot of emotional involvement also, and there is a emotional investment of Goa and Goans. How does it feel when you realize that now is it about money or is it about emotions? How do you balance it?
It is a combination of both. It is a combination of both, and you know, हातून जे कितें आसा as owners, खूब responsibility आसता, आनी you know we have to be answerable and try to resolve many issues. It is not easy. It is a service industry. तुमकां जर दिसता हातून सारकें सोंपें आसा, as an owner it is lot of issues. Everywhere we are answerable. We have to solve issues. फाल्यां बल्ब गेलो बल्ब मेळूंक ना स्टेडियमाक किंवा सेक्युरिटी मेळूंक ना किंवा कोणा प्लेयराक टिकेट मेळना रूम मेळना कोणाक पास मेळना you know so many issues are there. It is a question of having a good humility, patience, and you know do it with a smile. I think that is important.
How you are tackling these issues? What is your secret mantra? How are you dealing with it? Because
The love of the game, जे आसा पळय, then you just tolerate everything else. Tolerance is very important in this. You cannot lose your cool. Whether the team does well, does not do well, whatever it is, you have to think, be patient, and look forward.